People in Wichita, Kansas are also paying respects for the victims there. The airport set up a memorial for the 64 victims lost on the American Airlines flight that flew from Kansas to D.C. A table is filled with flowers and sticky notes, markers for people to leave messages. Travelers say they hope the memorial comforts families that lost loved ones. NBC5's Vince Sims has been in Wichita the past 2 days following how people are coping with all of this. Vince, you're learning more about some of the victims tonight.
We truly are, and it's really heartbreaking to hear some of the stories of the lives that have been lost. One of those include a young woman who's returning back to college. She had been here at home in Wichita to attend her grandfather's funeral. On the campus of Cedarville University, Ohio, an all-campus church service started Friday with Grace Maxwell being remembered. University President Dr. Thomas White spoke with her father.
He said, "You're praying people. Pray for us. There's a God that hears our prayers."
She was one of the lives lost on the tragic plane crash in Washington, D.C. She was returning to campus after attending her grandfather's funeral in Wichita.
Can you imagine losing a parent and 7 days later losing a child? And so I want us to pray for the Maxwell family.
White says along with her family, the campus mourns her death. She was a junior, majoring in mechanical engineering and minoring in biomedical engineering. But personally, she did so much more.
Yeah, I didn't know what all she was into until I started digging into this. Resound Radio, a personality there, the Inklings Creative Writing Org, going on mission trips.
Just a lot that she was doing there. The school is offering counseling services to any students or faculty who may need it. Just such a hard loss for this tight-knit community here. Reporting live in Wichita, Kansas, I'm Vince Sims, NBC5.